Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. And guess what? I have another Temu haul. So, what I'm about to show you is just a random bunch of stuff. So, before I get into it though, I just want to say that I am a Temu influencer. But what I'm about to show you, I did purchase with my own money. But I am going to leave in the description box my Temu discount code, which if you are purchasing Temu products for the very first time, if you use my code, it will give you 30% off your purchase. And if you use my Temu link and you download the Temu app, it will give you $100 worth of Temu coupons. And who can't use $100 worth of coupons? So, let me show you what we got. Alright, so, the first thing I got was one of these. Now, I have one of these, but I got another one because I like it. Plus, I only gave 78 cents for this. So, if I can get into it. Now, see, this one came with the string. The one I got before did not come with the string, and I thought that was odd. But it is one of these little crystal ball thingies that you stick outside. And it just catches the sun and the light, and it just makes a lot of little light, different color prettiness. I don't know what else to say. But anyway, I got one of those. I thought when I got my other one, when I opened the package, I was like, I really cannot believe they didn't put a string or something in there. But okay, anyway. And then look here. This I only gave 71 cents for. But look here. Oh my God. Can we say back to the 80s? Banana hair clips. Oh my God. I used to wear these things like all the freaking time when I was in high school. I loved them. Loved them, loved them, loved them. I don't even know if my hair is thick enough anymore to even wear these, but I figured my daughter might like them. But 71 cents and you get two. And you can choose. You can either get two brown, two black, or one of each. I got one of each. But, yeah, I used to love these things. Oh, my gosh. I know you can still get them at certain stores, but you're not going to get them for 71 cents, not for two of them. So, yeah, I had to get them. Alright, so the next thing that I got was, I gave 27 cents for this, and this is a back scratcher. Or back brush, you know, that you put in the bath, in the shower, and you just wash your back. So, 27 cents for that. Not bad. Alright, along with bathroom stuff, I had to get these. I got two of these, toothpaste. Got a frog and a pig. I gave 68 cents a piece for them. You put your toothpaste in, pull it out, and it pushes all the toothpaste up towards the front. Which I have toothpaste things, but you can also use these for lotion. You can use these for, you know, anything that you have that has a tube. You know, it doesn't have to just be for toothpaste. But for 68 cents, I thought they were cute, and I had to have them. Alright, so, this I got, and I hope it works. I gave $2.78 for this, and it is a medium. Now, it's probably going to be too big for Booger, but it might work for Buster. But this is like one of those things they put on the dogs when they are giving them a bath. You put it on their head and then you pull it up, and it's for grooming, so that you don't get water in their ears, or so that like when you're blow drying them, and you know, you're not forcing air into their ears and stuff. And it's supposed to help calm them also. So I got them one of these because the last time, well, not the last time, but about 3 months ago, I gave Buster a bath and I got some water in his ears, and I ended up having to take him to the vet because he got an ear infection. So I thought, if I mean, I've been taking him to a groomer, but I thought if something happened and I needed to give him a bath again, then I would have this, and then, you know, I wouldn't have to worry about getting water in his ear. So, but I seen it and I thought, well, why not? So, $2.78. I didn't figure that was bad. Okay, so I also got some of these. Let me adjust that a little bit. Now, these are supposed to be mosquito repellent stickers. And we like to be outdoors. And here in Kentucky, where we live, we have got like crazy mosquitoes. I mean, they're like pterodactyls. So I gave 98 cents for these, and I'm going to try these out. And it's supposed to be waterproof, and I just hope they work, because if we're outside, you know, grilling, or we like to go fishing or hiking or whatever, hopefully these will work. So it doesn't say, or I don't see where it says how long they work for, but, or maybe it does and I'm just not seeing it. But for 98 cents, I mean, and it's, I don't even see how many's in here. I don't know. But still. Alright, so something else that I got, and I just thought, it's a novelty item, but I just thought they were cute, is I gave 98 cents for this. Now, I have no idea what this is, and of course it's not in English, but it's supposed to be something about a good luck turtle. I don't know what it says, but anyway, it said something about these are supposed to be for good luck. I think you're supposed to, like, put it in your pocket or something. I don't know. I guess I should have read it better. I don't know if it's going to say. I think it's just in. Yeah. But of course we know these are not gold, but it's supposed to be gold. But we've got we got a big turtle and a little turtle. But I thought they were cute. So I buy some of the most randomest stuff. And I really need to stop it. I sit and I watch everybody else's Temu hauls, and it's like they buy stuff that they can use, and it's like I look at my orders and I'm like, am I 12? I feel like I'm just like a child, and I just buy like weird stuff. And then look, okay, now look, I got this for my husband for Father's Day, okay? I'm not gonna read it. You can read it. But it's a keychain, and I only gave 39 cents for it. But I thought it was funny, because I'm always telling him, you know, you're such a, you know, So I seen this and I was like, oh God, I gotta get that. which he's not, but that's what I'm always telling him. I'm like, you're such a and that's what he'll tell me. He goes, I am not. But I seen that 39 cents. I had to get it. So I also seen this. Okay, now I seen I don't remember who it was. I've seen several people opening these. I don't remember who it was now. I seen open them. But as soon as I seen it, I was like, ooh. So I went to Temu and searched this and got it. But I didn't realize it was going to come with a spoon. So that's cute. And then it has a little brush where you can brush those out. But it comes with 6 small trays. And these pop out to where you can shake your drills out. And then it goes right back in there. So you've got 6 small trays that come out. Then you got the one big tray. So that's pretty neat. So I gave, if I can get this back in here now, I gave $2.79 for this. And like I said, I will leave a link in the description box for every single thing that I got, as long as it's still available. But the prices change all the time. I mean, you might go in at 1 minute and it be $2.79, and go in, you know, an hour later or the next day and it be $1 cheaper or $1 more. You just don't never know. Now, the next thing that I got, y'all, I gave $5.67 for this. Now, I've seen it for different prices, and my husband, he got me one for Mother's Day, and he got it at Lowe's. I made him take it back because I said no, and this was just a random thing that he got me. I said no, take that back. I can get one cheaper on Temu. And it's a window bird feeder. Of course, the one at Lowe's, it was like super nice and a lot bigger. But this is one of those bird feeders you put in the window, and that way you can watch them come to the window and eat. You put the bird food in there. But like I said, he bought me one from Lowe's. He bought me a bird bath, a big old bird bath, and big old bag of bird seed, because I've got bird feeders. And then he bought me this great big window bird feeder. And I was like, take that back. He got mad. He's like, I'm not taking that back. I made him take it back. And then when we get in there, he told the girl at the register, she goes, is anything wrong with it? And I was in there with him. Of course, he had to embarrass me. He's like, no, my wife didn't like it. I was like, you idiot. And, but yeah, I was like, no, take it back. I can get one cheaper. So anyway, $5.67 for the window bird feeder. I'm awful, y'all. So the other 2 things, the last 2 things I got were these. And I couldn't help it because, you know, my boys. So, these are metal signs, Boston Terrier Coffee Company. And what's funny is it was established in 1972. I was born in 71, but, you know. But I gave $5.48 for this one, $2.59 for this one. And I just thought they were the cutest little things. But they're both metal. I don't know where in the world I'm going to put them. Probably here in my craft room. But anyway, that's my haul for this video. And y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite thing? What Let me know, if y'all have any of this, have you seen any of this, whatever. Don't forget my link, code, everything. All the links to this stuff, if they're available, will be in the description box. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.